So I want to wish everyone a happy Easter, and this collaboration is called He Has Risen 2022. And I did my table all in pastel colors. Mostly everything you see on my table was thrifted. I do have some old pieces mixed and matched with the dinnerware sets that were thrifted. Some pieces were from Dollar General. Um, that is from Home Goods, and then I have my vintage tea cups. And I just did the floral arrangements on a pad of grass, the grasses that I found at Hobby Lobby about 2 years ago. And this, these two platters, they are from Home Goods. That was the blue set was thrifted. The green glasses I found at Dollar General, and the bunnies at Hobby Lobby. And this was a perfect score, that teapot you see. I found that thrifting a couple months ago, and actually bought it for $2. And on eBay, it is going roughly for almost $40. So that was a great deal. And this is my angel. One of the wings broke from unpacking, and I've had him almost 20 something years. And it's just a treasure when I used to collect black art. And I went out to Sam's this morning and got some cupcakes for my nephews because they are on their way here. So I hope you enjoyed my Easter table decor. So I'm going to take you into my living room real quick. I found these hibiscus trees at Sam's last Saturday, and I thought that this would be beautiful decor in my living room. I bought two of them to put side by side to my DIY credenza makeover. And that is my lovely grandmother who passed on April the 4th, 2014. So, of course, this video and He Has Risen 2022 is dedicated to her. And I put the flowers next to her, and I tell you, they have been really blooming. So, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. And as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll see y'all in another video. Bye-bye.